Welcome to my comprehensive review of Money Pro, a personal finance app designed to help users effectively manage their budgets and achieve financial goals. In this video, we'll delve deep into its features and functionality, walking you through everything step by step. Money Pro allows users to track income, set up expense categories, and even plan monthly budget with remarkable precision. It supports multiple accounts, letting you organize your finances seamlessly, whether you're managing personal funds, family expenses, or even small business finances. The app's dashboard offers a sleek and intuitive interface. At a glance, you can view your current balance, upcoming bills, and categorize spending. Setting up your profile is straightforward. You can import your bank account details manually or through supported integrations. One of the standout features is the built-in calendar, which lets you plan due dates for bills and financial goals. You'll receive timely reminders, ensuring you never miss a payment. Customizing your budget is another highlight. You can set spending limits for specific categories like groceries, entertainment, or transportation. As you make purchases, Money Pro tracks them in real time, updating your remaining budget automatically. The app also offers detailed reports and visual graphs, making it easy to analyze your spending patterns and adjust where necessary. Security is top-notch, with options for passcodes and even Face ID or Touch ID on supported devices. Plus, if you're someone who needs access across multiple platforms, Money Pro syncs seamlessly between your smartphone, tablet, and desktop. This makes it an excellent tool for users who are constantly on the move but still need to stay financially organized. For those who travel often or deal with multiple currencies, Money Pro has currency conversion options built right in. You can track international expenses without hassle. Additionally, the app offers a premium version, which unlocks features like automatic bank syncing, more advanced reporting tools, and even family sharing. Overall, Money Pro is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their financial habits. Whether you're trying to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or simply keep track of where your money goes, this app provides everything you need in a single package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth app reviews and personal finance tips. Your support helps me bring you more content to guide your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.